na-cancel kasi last week meron ding bagyo. And now, umuulan ulit. Buti na lang, hindi na-cancel. Maulan na araw, mga zoobs. Alam nyo ba ngayong araw na ito, ang lakas ng ulan. Kaya nasa bahay lang kami after namin sunduin yung mga bata. And ito pa lang yung start ng vlog namin. Alas 5 na at ngayon na-attend kami ng pickleball. Merong anniversary yung isang club ng pickleball. A-attendan namin. Actually ano to dapat last Monday pa last week na-cancel kasi last week meron ding bagyo. And now umuulan ulit. Buti na lang hindi na-cancel. On the way na kami doon at matagal-tagal yung celebration nila pero hindi ko alam kung kaya natin yung 5 hours. Kaya ba natin yung 5 hours pickleball?
Depende sa attendance.
Depende kasi parang full court naman sa kanila. Kaya okay lang.
Kasi syempre madaming tao.
Baka hindi rin. Oo. Kumbaga parang private party to. Kaya maganda rin guys yung community ng pickleball kasi talagang very active. Tapos kung gusto nyo kayo-kayo lang, pwede rin kayo mag-rent ng court kagaya nitong event nila. So 1 year anniversary na sila. And nga pala kami din ay gumawa na ng sarili naming club. Nagpaparami lang. Kumbaga yung club naman namin is only for the schedule. Siyempre kung kunyari may birthday party, merong event, tapos gusto naming mag-set ng schedule na kami-kami lang at magkakakilala yung mga nandun. Parang masaya yun, di ba? So yun naman, meron na din kaming club. Ang tawag ay Dink and Drop. Gumawa na kami ng logo, gagawa kami ng mga t-shirt. Ang saya talaga. So maghanap na rin kami ng mga regular courts na pwede naming mapaglaruan. Kasi nga sabi ko nga sa inyo, gusto namin kami-kami lang din. Para kapag nag-open play kami, yung tipong relax lang, magkakakilala yung mga magkakalaro, magkakalaban. On the way na kami dito kami sa Dink and Shot. Ito for us yung pinakamagandang covered court na ng pickleball court kasi dito rin nag-e-events yung mga big companies like yung mga paddles, Selkirk dito rin, diba? Skechers dito din. Maraming mga naglo-launch dito ng mga businesses nila. And ang maganda lang dito, malaki siya, pero medyo pricey siya compared dun sa mga regular na pinupuntahan naming mga covered court. Kasi ito talaga, ginawa ito for pickleball only. Tapos meron din siyang sariling coffee shop. I-check ko sa inyo mamaya, i-vlog ko yung itsura and hopefully wala pa siyang music. Kung meron man, i-detalye ko na lang sa explanation later. Kasi at least private event to, we can vlog. Ayan, BRB. Nandito na kami, mga zoos. Si Andy wearing Skechers top and ano.
Top and bottom. Wala pang Skechers underwear. Sana meron.
Kita ko nga outfit mo. Wow, naman. This sucks.
I'm so hungry though.
Tapos ito, pakita namin sa inyo guys yung Dink and Shot. Kahit from afar lang. Para siyang old warehouse na ginawang bago. Look.
Let me feel your love again. Cause I've been running round in circles screaming out your name. Take me to a different place. Just the two of us and we can stay up all night. Kissing under streetlights, doing what we want to, doing what we need to do. Staying up all night, everything is alright. Oh, I wanna be with you. Oh, I wanna be with you. Let me be that someone who can hold your hand. I don't even know if you can understand how you make me feel. I got you in my head. Oh, I wanna be with you. Oh, I wanna be with you. Let me be that someone who can hold your hand. I don't even know if you can understand how you make me feel. I got you.
guys, we are done with pickleball, but
Tapos na.
it's time to eat.
Kasi hindi masyadong nakakain doon dahil mahirap maglaro na kumakain, di ba? Nagpika-pika.
Yeah, I only had like a piece of pizza and a piece of bread.
Ako
Ano
din.
pa?
Ako isang
Wala masyado.
munchkin na maliit tapos a little bit of palabok and bite of pizza. Yeah.
Parang ang dami.
Pero bite-bite lang.
Bite,
I didn't
yeah.
really eat.
Yeah.
Alam mo naman, nagda-diet ako kaya dito.
Yeah.
Nandito kami sa Boynita. I'll only get the grilled.
Yeah, we're just gonna eat meat kasi medyo hungry na. Tapos I think the kids are probably asleep by
Yeah,
now.
asleep na. Then I'm
So-
just gonna cook some mamaya, rice for Aliyah.
An egg.
Yeah, for baon niya tomorrow.
Yun. So we're only just here with a few people because I think everybody got quite tired because we started at 5, although we got there at 6. But the others started at 5, so
Kain
yeah.
lang mabilis and then go home na. Eat and run. Kaya lika na. Boynita.